This assessment tells us that 4 different functional groups can be reduced to form this particular alcohol, and to identify those 4 different functional groups. All of them are at the +3 oxidation state. The 4 different functional groups that we can use for this reduction, one would be the carboxylic acid. Another would be an acid chloride. Both of these, when reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, will form a primary alcohol, specifically this primary alcohol. The other 2 functional groups that can be reduced to this alcohol include an ester. Now, it doesn't matter what ester you use, methyl ester, ethyl ester, any ester here will do. And the final functional group that we can reduce to a primary alcohol is an anhydride. And again, it doesn't matter what the other side of the anhydride looks like, any anhydride will work. They will all be reduced to this primary alcohol. Carboxylic acid, acid chloride, ester, and anhydride. These are the 4 functional groups that will be reduced to a primary alcohol with lithium aluminum hydride.